computation course has two main objectives. The first one is to understand what is a computer and how a computer works, and then we explore and we learn how to use this computer. In order to transmit the knowledge to the students to become programmers, this course has a final project. And this final project is basically developing a game by groups of 3. They have to work together in order to end up with a specific game that is basically a game programmed using Python programming language.
For the project, our work process has been really pleasant actually. Every Friday we have these project sessions where we all get together and work on our project. Sandra answers any of our questions that we may have, and it's a whole team effort.
So today is the last session devoted to develop the project. So the interesting thing of today is that students can run their code using these microcontrollers that are available in the fabrication lab with the joysticks and using screens. So they can not only just developing code, but testing their code and playing with their games.
We're really happy how everything is working out. We are of course having some issues and having some problems, but as we are a team, we are helping each other, and like whenever someone has a question, we try to help.
Today I'm very happy because I can see how they not only code and try to understand this new technique, but they are playing with their games and they are feeling themselves as the programmers that they are becoming.
What I liked the most was probably the whole team effort. Relying not only on the teacher but also your friends to try to understand new topics, answer any doubts, also teaching other people what you understood better than them, what they can teach you, this whole team dynamic.
It's really amazing how we can create that for ourselves.